witnessing the start of a chip's journey, straight from the earth. Thousands of potatoes are quickly loaded into waiting trucks, ready for transport. The journey to the factory begins on these dusty roads. Speed is essential.
Every potato is a potential chip. The precision of this operation is key to efficiency.
Each load is carefully screened, ensuring only the best potatoes continue their journey.
Protection is paramount. These potatoes are safeguarded for their journey.
The potatoes embark on their final journey from the farm to the processing facility.
With the delivery complete, the empty truck is reweighed, ensuring accurate records.
Each batch is meticulously labeled for traceability and quality assurance.
Careful stacking ensures the potatoes are stored safely before further processing.
More fresh potatoes arrive, ready to begin their transformation into delicious chips.
Every crate is carefully unloaded, a testament to efficiency and safety in the operation. Automated systems ensure quick and secure cargo release, optimizing turnaround times. And so, the journey continues, ensuring fresh produce reaches its destination.
Upon arrival, trucks undergo a thorough security check before entering the factory premises.
Potatoes are carefully moved to the beginning of the processing line, maintaining strict hygiene standards.
Potatoes are gently released onto the processing line, beginning their journey through the factory. The potatoes begin their initial sorting, removing small debris and preparing for the next stage. High-pressure water jets ensure every potato is thoroughly cleaned before peeling. Gentle scrubbing removes the last bits of skin, preparing the potatoes for slicing. A final rinse ensures that the potatoes are perfectly clean and ready for the next step.
Human expertise complements automation, ensuring only the finest potatoes proceed.
These specialized rollers ensure the potatoes are perfectly aligned for precise slicing.
Advanced peeling technology ensures minimal waste and perfectly smooth potatoes. This last wash guarantees absolute cleanliness, preparing them for the ultimate transformation. Each potato undergoes meticulous inspection by advanced optical systems, ensuring premium quality. With precision, each potato is transformed into perfect, thin slices, ready for the next stage.
Freshly sliced, these thin potato rounds are now ready for the frying process.
The slices are immersed in water to remove excess starch, ensuring crispness.
Excess water is carefully removed, a crucial step before the slices enter the fryer.
These perfectly cut slices are now on their way to the deep fryer, where they'll achieve their golden crispness.
The magic happens now. The raw potato slices are plunged into hot oil, transforming into chips.
Watch as these delicate slices turn golden brown, acquiring their signature crispness and flavor.
Freshly fried, the chips move to drain excess oil, ensuring a light and crispy texture. Here, the chips receive their tantalizing flavors, evenly coating each crispy piece.
The perfectly seasoned chips are ready for packaging, their journey nearing its delicious end.
Every chip is scanned to ensure it meets our rigorous quality and taste standards. The perfectly formed chips cascade into bags, precisely measured for each serving.
The bags are sealed with precision, preserving freshness and ensuring a delightful crunch. The sealed bags are cooled to maintain their optimal freshness and crispness.
Each bag is stamped with essential information, ensuring complete traceability for consumers.
Each bag passes through an X-ray scanner, confirming product integrity and consumer safety. Robotic arms meticulously stack the chips, preparing them for shipping with unparalleled accuracy.
Black cardboard is rapidly transformed into sturdy boxes, ready to hold our delicious chips.
The individual chip bags are carefully loaded into larger cartons, preparing for bulk transport.
Industrial glue seals the boxes, securing the contents for safe transit. Each box receives a unique barcode, scanned immediately to ensure proper tracking and inventory control. Each box is precisely weighed, ensuring it meets specified shipping requirements.
Robots efficiently stack boxes onto pallets, readying them for storage or shipment.
Each pallet is securely wrapped in plastic, protecting the products during transport and storage.
The final barcode is applied, completing the traceability record for the entire pallet. A forklift transports the pallet to its designated storage location in the vast warehouse.
Products are stored in controlled environments, maintaining optimal conditions for freshness.
The forklift carefully places the pallet high on the shelves, optimizing storage space.
Advanced inventory systems provide real-time updates, streamlining operations and reducing errors.
Autonomous forklifts navigate the cold storage, efficiently managing inventory without human intervention. The forklift skillfully loads the packed pallets onto the truck, ensuring a swift and secure departure.
The truck carefully backs into position, ready to receive its cargo.
The loading ramp extends, forming a bridge for the efficient transfer of goods. Pallets are expertly secured inside the truck, ready for their journey to stores.
The forklift operator ensures every pallet is loaded precisely, maximizing space and stability.
With the cargo secured, the doors close, and another shipment begins its journey. The truck departs, carrying its precious cargo to distribution centers and stores. Another delivery arrives, bringing fresh supplies to the warehouse for distribution. The truck precisely aligns with the loading dock, ready for efficient unloading.
The loading door opens, revealing the neatly stacked pallets ready for offload.
The warehouse is a hub of activity, with goods constantly moving in and out. The vans depart, carrying our freshly made chips to stores and customers worldwide.
And here they are, our delicious chips, proudly displayed in the snack aisle.
With so many choices, finding your favorite flavor is always a treat. Carefully placed into your shopping bag, our chips are ready to go home with you.
Home at last, the journey culminates in the simple joy of a favorite snack.
Every ridged chip is a symphony of flavor and texture, perfectly seasoned.
Experience the incredible taste and satisfying crispness of our premium potato chips.
Each chip is a masterpiece of flavor and texture, a perfect snack for any moment.
The ultimate test of crispness, the perfect snap.
Share the joy. Pour out the perfect snack for everyone to enjoy.